And a nice little kitchen with an oven and a dishwasher and a little cooktop. A constantly stocked bowl of fruit. The ever-important wine rack. And our Airbnb host is well-traveled. He's got all sorts of travel magnets on his fridge. And then if we wing back around here through the living room, we have a washer-dryer, an on-demand water heater, which is wonderful. And then one of the best things about this apartment is its location and the view out the window. So the entryway is next to the kitchen, and then one of the awesome things about this place is there's just a ton of storage, which might not matter a whole lot to a lot of travelers, but we kind of like to make ourselves at home and get real comfortable when we move in. It's a nice bathroom with a bathtub and a shower that doesn't have a curtain, so every time you shower, water gets everywhere. The European standard bathroom comes with a bidet, of course. And then the bedroom. Nice room with a big window and small bed, and it comes with side tables with drawers, and we have a little radiator heater here, which is great because it turns out it's actually freezing in the wintertime in Spain. And that is our apartment.